Hunter's new WinAlign Tuner feature provides custom alignment and troubleshooting for modified vehicles. Common modifications such as lowering ride height, the plus sizing of wheels, and performance handling alignment service are extremely popular, but present an all-new set of problems for the technician, all of which, without the assistance of WinAlign Tuner, can force him to consume more time than desired to complete the alignment. Or worse yet, leave certain problem conditions unresolved, risking the obvious comeback. This is exactly why so many shops turn these customers away. But whether the customer simply wants the performance look and good tire life, or all-out performance handling, WinAlign Tuner, with its step-by-step guidance, will allow the technician to perform the required custom alignment professionally and efficiently. You'll never refuse this lucrative work again. Custom vehicle owners generally fall into two basic categories. Some want the performance look, but not at the expense of good tire life. Others want all-out performance handling, regardless of tire life. Because a performance alignment is dramatically different than a tire life alignment, WinAlign Tuner allows the appropriate selection at the beginning of the process. Choosing to maximize performance will set up a custom procedure emphasizing the full performance benefits of the vehicle's modifications. Suggested procedures are automatically enabled. But because modifications will vary among customers, the process is made flexible. The technician always has the option of choosing only those procedures he feels are needed. Modified vehicles usually require the installation of certain kits to make them alignable. But most of the time, the technician doesn't know which alignment kits to use. In addition, he probably doesn't know if special tools are required, or which hand tools might be needed. With WinAlign Tuner, the Tools and Kits feature is enhanced, so the technician can review what's needed ahead of time. This helps prevent multiple time-wasting trips for tools and parts. Selected manufacturers' websites can be accessed as well. Without leaving the Tools and Kits interface, you can retrieve specific product information or order parts if required, and then immediately resume the alignment. It's simple and fast. One of the first modifications many customers make is plus-sizing tires. If the diameter of the new tire is different, then the vehicle's ride height will change. And of course, installing a lowering kit is going to change ride height as well. When these modifications are made, the customer will want to know how much ride height has changed. With the new vehicle height display, ride height values for both changes can be entered and stored. To determine the influence of a wheel and tire change, measurements are taken from the rack to the center of the wheel. Using the digital remote ride height tool, accurate measurements can be made easily and then quickly transmitted to the console. To see the effect of the lowering kit, measurements are taken from the rack to the underside of the wheel opening. Once all the measurements are transmitted to the console, the height display will automatically display all the values. Modifying ride height will normally alter the vehicle's steering geometry enough to potentially cause bump steer problems. With WinAlign Tuner, potential bump steer can be detected by measuring changes in camber, toe, total toe, and steer ahead with the vehicle at a variety of heights. The measurements are also charted so the variations in the alignment values can be seen through a range of heights. To accurately detect bump steer, a series of measurements need to be taken with the vehicle pulled down and with the vehicle raised. Using Hunter's bump steer winch and laser scale, the vehicle can be pulled down safely while observing the height changes at the scale. Stopping at 1/2 or 1/4 inch increments, the alignment values are captured by selecting snapshot values. As the measurements are collected, they are automatically charted and displayed. The same process is repeated while raising the vehicle. Once the measurements are complete, all the charted values can be reviewed and saved. Then, when the repairs are done, the new charted values can be compared to the originals. Producing a performance alignment requires known good starting points. Since many technicians don't have experience with this, WinAlign Tuner provides guidelines from which to base the initial settings. For example, maximizing cornering performance normally requires negative camber. Even greater negative camber might be used on the drive wheels. A good starting point for front toe is 0. But if you want a quicker turn-in, adjust front toe slightly negative. Rear toe should be set at or near 0. To help correct handling complaints, symptom-based diagnostics are also available. Each common condition, such as understeer, oversteer, and instability, are displayed with their respective remedies listed at the right. Tire temperature conditions are included as well. Again, all common situations are noted with their recommended solution shown at the right. With WinAlign Tuner, an enhanced spec screen allows the technician to enter custom specifications required for modified vehicles. Large temperature variations across the tire tread are often caused by certain alignment settings that simply do not work with the existing modifications. If these conditions are ignored, optimal handling performance will never be realized, and you can almost guarantee premature tire wear. To fix this problem, WinAlign Tuner allows the technician to enter tire temperatures and then assists with the repairs by providing detailed troubleshooting tips. In addition to the standard alignment values, the WinAlign Tuner Enhanced printout includes the charted bump steer measurements and the tire temperature values. If the temperature readings vary greatly across the tire, they will be highlighted red.